waiting the door. I'm watching my back and facing my front. Truth today, I need to know so. You know the rice and beans and for my me and my people don't need to know.